In this video, I will show you how to control your Samsung Smart TV without the remote control. So if you misplace your Samsung remote control, or for some reasons your remote control is not just working, this video is going to show you how to completely and fully control your Samsung Smart TV even without the remote control. Now basically, we'll be looking at two methods to control the Samsung Smart TV without the remote control. And for the first method, you want to go ahead and look for the power button, which is usually on the right hand side or on the left hand side of the Samsung Smart TV. You might also find it just on the center of the TV below the Samsung logo over here on your Samsung Smart TV. So go ahead and look for the power button. It is usually just below over here on your Samsung Smart TV, just close to where you have the red LED light on the TV, or you can actually find it on the center of the TV or on the left hand side of the TV, depending on the model of Samsung Smart TV you have. Now once you locate that button, you want to go ahead and just press on it once, and you're going to get this menu over here on your Samsung Smart TV. Now one thing you have to note is to navigate through this menu, you want to go ahead and continuously press on it. Just tap on it once to continuously navigate through all of the options you have over here. And to select any of these options, you can actually just go ahead and long press on that particular option. So for instance, to increase the volume of my Samsung Smart TV, over here we have the volume up. I'll just go ahead and long press on that particular option, and automatically you can see that the volume of the TV is increasing. Now to reduce it, I'll go ahead and do the same thing, long press on it as well, and then the volume of the TV will start reducing. Now you can also see that you have other options over here. For instance, you can go ahead and change the TV input source. You can also go ahead and turn on the TV or turn it off. You can also do things like changing of the TV channels to up or just down, any option you want for your Samsung Smart TV. Now obviously this is the simplest method to still control your Samsung Smart TV without the remote control, but it is actually limited because you can't do a whole lot of things except from what you have over here on the menu. You can't control apps and the rest of it. Now this will now take us to the second method, and for the second method we'll be using our phone to control absolutely everything on our Samsung Smart TV. And to achieve this, you want to come over to your phone, whether it's an iPhone or an Android phone. Just go ahead and open up the App Store or Google Play Store of your phone, and then come over to this search bar over here, and then you want to go ahead and search for the Samsung Think app. Now this is actually the official Samsung app that will allow us to control our Samsung Smart TV even without the remote control. So go ahead and search for Samsung Things. Just go ahead and search for it just like so, and you can literally see the Samsung Things app over here. Go ahead and download and install this app into your smartphone, and once the app is installed, you want to go ahead and open it up directly from here. Now as you can see, we can basically control our devices from this app. So go ahead and click on continue. Now scroll down and then just click on continue as well. Now you can just go ahead and skip this information onboarding page. Just go ahead and skip this, and from here what you want to do is to just go ahead and click on while using this app, click on allow, and now you want to go ahead and click on add devices over here. Now obviously this automatically takes you to the Samsung website where you can now go ahead and log into your Samsung account. This account should also be the same account that is logged in on your Samsung Smart TV. If you have not created an account or logged into your Samsung Smart TV using your Samsung Smart TV account, then go ahead and do that, and then you just want to go ahead and log into that same account on your phone over here. I have already created an account, so I'll just go ahead and log into my account over here. Now go ahead and enter your password as well. Now just go ahead and click on continue, and now you want to go ahead and click on the add devices button again. Now from here, go ahead and click on Samsung devices, and then go ahead and select TV because we are actually adding our TV to the Samsung Things app. Now go ahead and turn on your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth to discover your Samsung Smart TV. So make sure that the Bluetooth and Wi-Fi of your phone is actually turned on, and the Wi-Fi of your Samsung Smart TV is also turned on. If possible, you want to make sure that both your Samsung Smart TV and your phone are also connected to the same Wi-Fi. So make sure that your phone is also connected to the same Wi-Fi that your Samsung Smart TV is connected to. So for me, I have just turned on my Bluetooth and also turned on the Wi-Fi of my phone, and make sure that the phone is also connected to the same Wi-Fi network that my Samsung Smart TV is actually connected to. And as you can see, it has now found my Samsung Smart TV. So I'll go ahead and select it just like so. Now it automatically takes you to the web browser where you are now asked to add your Samsung Smart TV to your account. So just go ahead and click on continue. And now you can now see that this Samsung Smart TV has now been successfully added to my Samsung Things app. And on your phone, you want to go ahead and click on the done button over here. And once it is downloaded, you'll be taken to this page that now comes with a remote control for you to be able to control your Samsung Smart TV. And if you exit all of this introductory screen page, you can now use your phone as a remote for your Samsung Smart TV. So you can literally see that I can just move through my screen over here. Now if I want to go to the home of my Samsung Smart TV, I can just go ahead and click on the back button, which automatically takes me back to the home of my Samsung Smart TV. I can just go ahead and press on the home button and I am taken to the home. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.